Imagine you're in a library, heart pounding, as you spot a spider. Your body is ready for a fight-or-flight response. But did you know that yawning might be your brain's quirky way of cooling down during stress? This unexpected fact reveals that yawning increases blood flow and cools the brain, helping you think clearly in tense situations. It's like your brain's air conditioning system kicking in. Next time you yawn, remember it's not just boredom. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us and discover more quirky facts.